don't want to know, I just want to feel. Dreams that now dissolve you. Places don't belong to you now. All this feels like a lie now, and I want to get higher, higher. There is no more than fire, fire, burning all the desire, desire. To feel dreams that now dissolve you. Places don't belong to you now. All this feels like a lie now, and I want to get higher, higher. There is no more than fire, fire, burning all the desire, desire. To show myself, I'm gonna leave my fears on the shore. I'm fighting for my dreams, for real. Adventures were always my thrill, yeah. I'll get out of the car, put on my sunglasses. Today I will allow myself to skip all classes. I will present myself in my nice white jacket, even if I only have $5 in my pocket. I don't take or leave the thoughts too hard. If something's wrong, I will start from the start. Try to take me down, you know you can. 'Cause I am bulletproof. I'm not afraid to make stupid mistakes, and all the consequences they can make. Try to take me down, you know you can. 'Cause I am bulletproof. The music changes, so does my mind. All the tears and worries were left behind. I'm amazed at how quickly I began to change the game plan. Oh yeah, I'll get out of the car, put on my sunglasses. Today I will allow myself to skip all classes. I will present myself in my nice white jacket, even if I only have $5 in my pocket. I don't take or leave the thoughts too hard. If something's wrong, I will start from the start. Try to take me down, you know you can. 'Cause I am bulletproof. I'm not afraid to make stupid mistakes, and all the consequences they can make. Try to take me down, you know you can. 'Cause I am bulletproof. I am bulletproof. don't want to know, I just want to feel. Dreams that now dissolves you. Places don't belong to you now. All this feels like a lie now, and I want to get higher, higher. There is no more than fire, fire, burning all the desire, desire. I don't want to know, I just want to feel. Dreams that now dissolves you. Places don't belong to you now. All this feels like a lie now, and I want to get high.